Article-level measures of publication impact, namely alternative metrics or altmetrics, can help authors and other stakeholders assess engagement with their research and the success of their communication efforts. However, a wide variety of altmetrics can also make interpretation and comparative assessment difficult, and the available summary tools such as the altmetric attention score are either narrowly focused or do not reflect the differing values of metrics from different stakeholder perspectives. We created a value-based multi-component metric framework for medical publications, the Empirical Publication Impact and Reach Evaluation Index, or the EMPIRE Index. The EMPIRE Index comprises three component scores: social, scholarly, and societal impact, each incorporating related altmetrics indicating a different aspect of engagement with the publication. For instance, the social impact component reflects platforms that disseminate scholarly information to diverse audiences and correlates strongly with the altmetric attention score. The scholarly impact component reflects more academic engagements, somewhat similar to citation-based metrics. The societal impact component provides unique insights around the influence of a publication on treatment practices. The weighting and grouping of this Empire Index were informed by a statistical analysis and crucially by a panel of expert stakeholders who provided input on value assessments. There were also mechanisms to define predictor metrics to estimate likely long-term impact. Several potential usage are envisaged for the Empire Index. For instance, it can be used to monitor a large number of publications related to a research project or a clinical trial program to assess whether the publications are having the hoped for impact. This can reveal best practices in publication dissemination or areas in which additional communication efforts are needed to reach audiences that may be interested in the topic. Because the Empire Index provides a richer assessment of publication value than standalone traditional alternative metrics, it will enable individuals involved in medical research to assess the impact of related publications easily and to understand which characterizes impactful research. Further validation of the Empire Index requires additional prospective cross-sectional studies which are currently ongoing.